This is my go-to meal when I don't feel like grocery shopping and want an easy meal that is sure to please. Start by browning your choice of meat. I used ground beef. Then add your favorite marinara sauce. I really like the Rao's because it's sugar-free and tastes great. Then you will let that simmer for at least 10 minutes to help develop the flavor. Then I use already made ravioli. That is what makes this dish so easy to assemble. Spray the bottom of your pan, add a layer of meat sauce, then layer your ravioli. I didn't have ricotta, so the next best thing is cottage cheese, which I always have. Dollop that over your ravioli and add a layer of mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle of Parmesan for a little more flavor. Then I repeat the process until all the ravioli are in the pan. Top with meat sauce and cheese, cover with tinfoil, and it's ready for the oven. It is so good and so simple, you can make it ahead and easily feed a crowd. My pick